just what I do. On to another project. Many projects, they keep me busy. Outside, that's a good thing. But anyways, we're gonna have to do something today because they're just making Bear sneeze. I think Bear just might be allergic. Right, Bubba? Right, Bubba? So, it's time to get them out of the house, huh? There's an eviction notice, Bubba. And Honey's got some allergy issues. It's just time for them to get out. So, since they're in the pup's room and eventually they always come outside, I'm not okay with putting them in the chicken tractor yet, the pop-up chicken tractor yet. They're still a bit small. I don't feel comfortable leaving them in that. So, we're going to assemble this. This was an old rabbit hutch for when I had the rabbits in the house. And this will work perfect. They'll be in here for a week or two till they feel comfortable putting them in the pop-up tractor, because they just stink and they're making a mess in the house. It's just a mess. I mean, you smell it as soon as you walk in the door, and that's when you know it's definitely time for them to go outside. It's starting to be a heck of a lot warmer out, and especially at night it's a lot warmer out, so we're going to set this up and get them out of the house so Bear and Honey will stop having allergy problems. Right, Bubba? Where'd everybody go? Oh, there's an ivy. Where's my bear? There him is. There him is, because he just keeps sneezing. Every time I turn around, he's sneezing in the house. And I think it's because they're in their room and they're just making a mess. Dust mess everywhere. It happens. But they're old enough. It's time for them to go outside. Huh, Bubba? Yeah? Yeah, is it time for them to go outside? So let's put this together. I'll put this together. I won't bore you with that. Put it together. And then I'll go in, bring them out, show them to you, so you know what the heck I'm talking about. Right, Ivy? Right, Ivy? I have to put them high enough up because that goober grape will go after them. She's chasing a fly. She's such a boober. Okay, let's get to work. Stop talking, right? Ivy, no. Stop. Now. Try this again. Ivy! No! Really pretty. No! So there's the new 5. I do this about once every other year or so. Because if they're boys, try it again, sorry, mush mouth. If they're boys, they get culled out towards October-ish. I fatten them up and they go to freezer camp. So I'm hoping There's a few girls in here. Yeah, big Whitey right there ain't going nowhere. He's sticking around, doesn't matter if he's a boy or a girl. I'll give you a guess what he is. What it is. I have no idea if it's a boy or a girl. But I have a few more in the incubator right now. But hopefully this will take care of Bear and Honey's allergy problem. Because we're starting to leave massive dustiness down there and or in their room, because that's the baby room. That's where I have everything set up. And Ivy's over here going nuts like a little dumbass. I'm gonna be crazy. She'll eventually get used to him. It's no big deal. But she has a thing with birds, so I gotta watch her. Yeah, so here they are. Some of them have really pretty colors. And I'm hoping there's more girls than boys. Every year I do this, I end up with more boys than girls. There'll be like 6 will hatch and 5 out of 6 are boys. And then I gotta cull them out. I do not look forward to that at all. But it is what it is, needs to be done. Unless someone wants to buy a rooster, then that's different. But they're all set up in here. I just gotta get their food and their water in here. And then I have a little half a tarp that I'm gonna put up over the top, which will protect them from the wind and the rain. I could put them in the pop-up tractor. It's just that I don't have a continuous outside protector dog anymore like I used to. Unfortunately, he passed away on my birthday last year, which was very abrupt and rude. He should still be here. But anyways, there they are. Really hoping there's more girls than boys. I hate cull week. But why no? And they're curious about everything. And as you can see, the floor, there is a flat spot for them to hang out, so they're not just on the mesh. And then I'm going to throw some grass clippings in here too for them to pick at. It'll be their first time. And it's small enough bars so like the raccoons and stuff can't reach up through them and grab a leg, which they have with my quail before. I figured out that it's raccoons that are doing it to my quail. But anyways, just need their food and water in here because they're still on a mix of baby food and big bird food. But they should be a heck of a lot happier out here than they are inside, and I'm sure Bear and Honey will be too. So I'm gonna let you watch them for a minute. I'm gonna go grab some grass and you can see them eating grass for the first time. They're probably gonna freak out, but no, they'll get over it. No. They'll get used to everything out here. I'll give them something soft to sit in and lay in and keep warm, all that fun stuff, and pick in, eat on, eat through, poop on, all that fun, happy ass crap. But they seem to all be hiding in that corner, the opposite corner the camera's facing, of course. But they'll be good, and eventually in like maybe a week or two, I'll probably put them in the big pop-up tractor, which I've shown on this channel before. But if you want an update on them, just leave a comment down below and I'll give you an update on how they're doing. and who's a boy and who's a girl. Right now, I'm not so sure. I have an idea on which one might be a boy, unfortunately, but yeah. So, we're gonna leave them be, figure out where my pups went. We'll end this video. Short, simple. Hopefully this helps the pups now, because Bear sure has been sneezing a lot lately, and he normally doesn't do that. So I'm thinking it's because they were in his room, leaving a dusty mess. I never understand how people can just keep chickens in the house all the time. They're nasty, they poop on everything, they stink, and they leave a massive dust mess. So, we're gonna leave them to it. Let them get accompanied with being outside now. And find the pups, and we'll end this video, as I said before. You're waiting to go inside, huh? Yeah, I have a couple more chores, then we'll go inside and we'll have snack, okay? So I hope this helps you too. Yeah, I see you, bud, I see you. I only got one hand at the moment. Yeah. He stays in a different room, but the pups have grown up in that room. They were hatched in that room. So that's their room, that's the baby room, that's the puppy room. Where you go, Bubba? Oh, you coming for a close-up? There him is. There him is. He's been super sneezy. I hope this helps you. It was time to get him outside anyway, so that was just the final push to get him outside. Yeah, they're tiny. They're tiny. And here goes Oliver. Goober grape. Hey, handsome. Yeah, you gonna feel better now? Where'd Ivy go? Where'd Ivy go? She's sitting in my chair, aren't you? You sitting in my chair? Peekaboo. There she is. She's the only one I gotta watch with them. Grizzly, not so much. Ivy, definitely. She's a little brat. That's why I shortened her tether up a little bit, so she can't exactly reach him. He's curious, but he won't do anything. So, I'm gonna stop rambling, go finish some other chores, because I got some other animals that want some food. They all think they're starving, but I think they're gonna do much better out here anyways. Time for them to come outside. It was inevitable. Right, everybody? Yeah. Okay. Does that help you, Bear? Is that gonna help you? What about you, Bunny? Is it gonna be helpful? Oh, I got tired puppies. Been outside in the sunshine a long time, huh? Projects. It's that time of year. Project Central. Always something. So I'm gonna stop rambling. As always, I greatly appreciate you clicking on this video and actually watching all the way through. What you doing, Bubba? Come here, Bubba. There it is. And as always, go out there, tuck in your crazy, adjust your crown, and I hope you have an amazing day. And you are extremely awesome if you made it all the way through this video. Leave a comment down below on what you think that big white one is. And how many of the 5 do you think are boys and how many are girls? Let me know down below. So, again, thanks for watching. Hope you subscribed if you're not already subscribed. If you are subscribed, you're amazing. Don't forget to check out my Friday videos. They're of the Colorado Mountains. Wednesday is always fishing. Good, bad, or ugly, it's always fishing. Big, small, we catch it all. That's why it's a TFA. What's a TFA? Trout fishing addiction. Because one little yank on the line and it keeps you there. Keeps you going, makes you want to catch another one. But I'm going to stop rambling. Thanks for watching. I greatly appreciate it. I hope you have an amazing day. And we'll catch you on the next one. On the next project. Right? Many projects. Many projects to do. Yeah, I gotta start building on another one. Bye, people. Right, Bubba. Right, Bubba. Oh, close up, Bubba. Close up, Bubba. And Ivy.